At growth stage startups like DigitalOcean, there's always a lot of challenges that go along with the excitement, and I think that's what generates the excitement. And some of the challenges that we have here that I think are particularly exciting is that we're sort of rewriting the playbook on cloud computing and making it much simpler for developers to use, much easier for them to build really interesting applications, and to do it in a way that enables them to really focus on what they love to do, which is ship great code and not worry about the infrastructure.
We are not only dealing with one interface, which could be the browser or a web app or a mobile application. Engineers work with other infrastructure, with other interfaces as well, with CLIs or APIs. And as a user experience team, we also have to cater to those interfaces. We're not there yet, but that is part of the exciting work that we need to work on.
When it comes to technical decision making on my team, I really like them to be consensus-based. Every engineer should have an input into our decision making because every engineer has value that they add. And it doesn't matter if they're right out of school and just saying, but why is it doing it that way? Because often that is a really insightful thing to say. So different perspectives really help us drive to have a better product. And that's a really important thing to cultivate when you're a manager. The main thing you want to be focusing on is what is best for the software we're making, for our company, and for our customers.
I think generally the skills we look for are teaching above all. People on a team come from a background of teaching or have a love of teaching, and I think that that's one thing that we've learned recently is that's one of the most paramount skills on the team is someone who not only is excited about their subject matter, but really passionate about sharing it with others.
I do get to leverage a lot of the skills that I learned during my days in academia. As a cloud company, we're collecting huge amounts of data. And so as someone who's inherently interested in statistics and research, I get to apply a lot of my skill set to all the data that we're collecting. And sometimes the sheer volume and the sheer velocity at which it's coming presents like unique challenges that you would never really face in academia. So there's huge opportunities for growth and learning and general education and stuff like that.